Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to upgrade from Ubuntu 22.04 to Ubuntu 24.04. Before upgrading, you need to back up your data to prevent data loss. Then, update and upgrade your current packages. Once the upgrade completes, restart your system so all changes take effect. If upgrading via SSH, make sure to open TCP port 1022 on the UFW firewall for a stable connection during the upgrade process. If you have physical access to your Ubuntu Desktop and are upgrading locally, no ports need to be opened. Simply install the Update Manager Core tool to ensure all necessary upgrade components are installed. After installing the Update Manager Core, start the upgrade process by entering the following command. If no new release is found, you will see an error message. Next, open the upgrade configuration file and modify the specified value to ensure you receive upgrade notifications and can choose whether to proceed. Now, we can upgrade to Ubuntu 24.04 using the following command. Go through the upgrade steps shown on the screen. The tool will prompt you for input periodically and will only continue after you select or confirm an option. Next, to remove obsolete packages after upgrading Ubuntu to ensure system cleanliness, you can use the following command. This command will remove any obsolete packages that are no longer needed on your system after the upgrade, which helps in freeing up disk space and keeping your system tidy and efficient. Next, confirm that the third-party repositories are enabled by running the following command to ensure the necessary repositories are active. By following this step, you can successfully enable third-party repositories on Ubuntu 24.04 after upgrading from Ubuntu 22.04. At this point, your server is upgraded to Ubuntu 24.04. You can now verify it using the following command. Your server is now upgraded to Ubuntu 24.04.